What's up, C Team? Welcome back to the channel.
Today we are doing something extremely weird, and we've never done it before, but I've seen it all over the internet and I really wanted us to do it. So yeah.
Well, the main reason why we're doing it is that our anniversary is just a few days away. 7 years. 7. There's really no backing out now, really.
Not really.
But what we're doing is, it is called the Luna Bean hand molding kit. And like you just said, we have seen this all over the internet, and we did get it on Amazon. It wasn't really expensive, and we've seen some great results on it. So
yeah,
we want to maybe test it out and see what it's about. And
yeah, I think it'd be cool to, like, going on 7 years, have something sort of that we both can sort of like look at. Yeah. As like a solid piece of our relationship.
Really, it's good for like any relationships that you like, long-term relationships.
Cute house decorations.
Yeah,
like,
decorations.
You can do one hand. You can do a family of 4 or 5.
Yeah.
You can do your kids' feet, your kids' hands. Like, it's really good for like gifts to people. So that's kind of cool.
And they say it's easy and safe to do. So
it's non-toxic.
We'll see if we're able to do this.
Yeah.
But we're gonna get everything unpackaged, and we'll be right back, and we'll see what we can do with this.
Okay.
All right, guys. So we have step 1, which is the mixture that we're gonna have to use with the water. So we're gonna have to mix this up just a little bit, add it into our water, and we're gonna wait till it turns like a pinkish purple color, and that's when we know we can add our hands in. So we read the directions, and hopefully this goes good.
We hope so, I don't know.
So we're gonna take a second, we're gonna mix this up, and we'll be right back, and we'll show you guys what our hands look like.
Alright, so as soon as this turns purple, we're gonna have to stick our hands in, and we're gonna be sitting here for a good 4 or 5 minutes.
Ready?
Yep.
Alright.
Here we go.
Let's do this. So we're gonna have our hands like this. I'm gonna go on like a little bit of the tilt. Ready?
Alright, we don't know how long we've been doing this, but we think we're ready to pull our hands out.
Alright, here we go. Alright, guys, so
this is what it looks like.
This is step 1 complete. Now step 2 is we're going to have to make our cement.
Yep.
Pour it in, and we gotta wait like 3 to 4 hours until we can see the final results. So
we're gonna do cement.
Let's see what this looks like. mixing our cement mixture. Turned out pretty good. And we're gonna pour it in and we're gonna wait. Here we go.
Cool. All right. So now we wait, guys. Okay, so we've waited for about 2 hours and we're getting impatient, so we're gonna take it out and see what happens.
Let's see what this looks like.
Okay. So now I'm pretty sure we just have to start.
I'm going with my hands.
Peeling the stuff off. They said the area around the fingers and stuff aren't gonna be like completely strong yet. So just, yeah. Yeah, do it like super soft. Oh my God. No way. Careful. Oh my God, that is so cool. So obviously we have to like get all this stuff out like in little cracks and crevices of it, but wow.
So for the most part,
it's not all the way.
It's
like,
not
dry.
all the way dried yet, but for the most part, this turned out like really good.
Yeah. Oh my God, that is crazy.
That turned out really good.
Okay, so we brought it inside so you guys could see it a little bit better, but here it is.
So let's see what it looks like. Yeah, there's a lot of like excess stuff that needs to be come out of it.
Yeah, we'll have to do that later.
So it does say that we need to like sandpaper it down, and then you can use like small utensils in order to make sure it gets like really clean and has like the best finish. You can obviously see like in here and around our fingers there's a little flaws, but like it really turned out really good.
Yeah, for the most part.
How about
like,
you hold it up
idea.
so we can see it, and we'll turn it all the way around.
Really?
Oh, perfect. So yeah, you can really see the details in our hands.
Like when we flip it over, you can literally see Dalton's fingerprint in this, and there's a lot of like bubbly stuff that we'll have to sand out. It does come with a little piece of sandpaper, so I obviously need a little bit of a manicure here on my nails. And we'll like sand right here the edges and stuff. So
word.
Wow, this is so cool.
So yeah, I think this turned out like really good.
This is like such a cute little like keepsake for us to sort of like put on like a table or something, like a centerpiece, or like on top of like magazines or something, like on a table. Yeah, it's so cute.
So I think there is something too that we found. It's like a little stand that you can buy. It didn't come with the kit, but there's a stand that you can buy for. It's like a little wooden stand for your hand, so it kind of looks like a sculpture. But for the most part, I think it turned out really well.
Yeah, it did. It turned out like way better than I thought it would. I thought this was gonna be sort of like a fail video, but it obviously turned out very well.
Sweet. Well, let's go try and sand this down, but I think that wraps up our video, guys. Until next time,
bye.
the C Team, we're out.